Hi, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to write trigonometric values in 2 minutes. From the 0 degrees onwards, start writing whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Among all these whole numbers, 4 is the biggest number. Now divide each number by 4 and apply root. Simply divide each number by 4 and apply root. Here 3 by 4 root, 4 by 4 under root. Now you are ready with sign values. Let me show how. 0 by any integer is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. Square root of numerator, that is root 1 is 1, whereas root 4 is 2. Here these two would get cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Square root of numerator, that is 1, is 1. 2 doesn't have any square root. Numerator 3 doesn't have any square root, whereas square root of 4 is 2. These two would get cancelled. 4 ones are, square root of 1 is 1. That's how we get sign values. Now simply write in reverse order to get the cos values. So 1 will be written in the beginning. Root 3 by 2 will come here. 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 will come here. 0 will be written at the end. So in this way we got cos values as well. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. To get tan values, we need to divide sin and cos values. So 0 by 1 is 0. So tan 0 is 0. Here, when you divide these two, denominators would get cancelled and you will get 1 by root 3. Similarly, when you divide these two, since both are same, they will get cancelled and you get the value as 1. Here, denominators would get cancelled, root 3 will remain in the numerator. 1 by 0. When you have 0 in the denominator, it becomes undefined. So these are the tan values which we got by dividing sin and cos. To get cot values, just write the tan values in reverse order. So this will be written in the beginning, that is undefined. This will occupy the second position. 1 will be written here. This will come over here. And finally 0 will be written at the end. So by reversing the tan values, we got all the cot values. We need to get the values of two more trigonometric functions, that is cosec theta and secant theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. By doing reciprocal of sin values, we get cosecant theta values. So we have here 0 by 1. Reciprocal of 0 by 1 is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is undefined. Similarly, we have here 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, that is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1, that is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And finally, 1 by 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. So by doing reciprocal of sine values, we got all the cosec values. Finally, we need to get the values of secant theta. To get the values of secant theta, we just need to write cosecant values in reverse order. So 1 will come in the beginning. 2 by root 3 will occupy the second position. Root 2 will come here. 2 will be written over here. And finally, undefined will be written at the end. So in this way, we can write the values of all trigonometric functions.